to get the width of the leather, the width of the flip flop, and very simple. So it depends on how wide you want it. Let's see. First of all, you make a reference line for your measurement. Oh, let's see, 29. So this is a reference point, and for the particular pattern we're doing, there has to be a folding allowance on both sides. There's going to be a 1 centimeter here, and then how wide do you want it to be? Do you want it to be 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter wide? If you want it to be 4 centimeter wide, you have 5 here, and then the folding allowance also 1 centimeter. You understand it better when I finish. So 1 centimeter folding allowance, 5 meaning 4 the width, and 1 centimeter folding allowance. That is for one flip flop, for one side. So one is ready. If I may just take the whole of the leather, since what is remaining will not be useful. So for the second flip flop, we'll do same. 1 centimeter folding, 5 the width, 1 centimeter folding. 1 centimeter folding, 5 the width, 1 centimeter folding. There is 2. We need 4 of it. Do this. Indicate the folding allowance. So we want to cut it out. Is want to apply gum. We'll apply gum on it and fold it this way. Same thing here, and we'll do same for all. So the same for fold it this way. So the next thing now is to, let me see. So the next thing now is to cover this space, and that is where we would use the black leather to cover up here. But what measurement should we take? We need to take a measurement that would leave out some white part of this, thereby forming the design. So what we'll do is to take a measurement so that we'll have something like this left of the white. And let's see, will 3 do? 3 will be perfect. So take 3 centimeter. Since the total is around 4 centimeter, so we'll take 3 centimeter, leaving half centimeter this way, half centimeter this way. Continue. So just as I said, the length is 30 centimeter and the width is 3 centimeter. So these are 3 centimeter here, 3 centimeter here. So we'll have like 9 centimeter. Let me just take it all together. So here's how it will go, like this. stitch them. So now we're at the final stage. The upper and the sole is ready. So we attach the upper to the sole, and that's the last stage.